Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can go ahead and farm Xterio Airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So Xterio is officially supported by Binance Lab and currently they have raised a funding of more than $80 million plus. So this should be a decent airdrop in the future, and I will exactly show you what all you will need to do in order to qualify for this airdrop. Now for now the tasks are pretty simple and we'll go in each and every task in this video. So the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go to sesmelabs.xyz, and here you can use my sign up referral link in order to get 100 credits for absolutely free, and even I will be getting 100 credits. And I will leave all these links in the description so it would be easy for you all to navigate and farm this airdrop. So you will need to complete certain basic tasks like follow them on Twitter, support them on Twitter, then retweet, comment and like. And I don't know why this one is not showing as completed, because even I have completed this one. So what you have to do is basically you will need to follow them on Twitter, retweet certain comments, and send a like and follow them on Twitter. And if the verification is not automatic, all you can do is basically you can go ahead and take the Twitter screenshots and you can verify them manually. So for example, if I go over here, you can upload the image that you have already successfully completed this task. Now the admin will review it and mark it as completed for you. So depending on the time frame, this might take some time, because I tried doing it from yesterday, but it happened today, and this one also it's not done yet, so I'm not sure. Now the next thing that you will need to do is you will need to go to exterio.io games over here, and here you will need to connect your wallet. So the first thing that you will need to do is basically you will need to add this exterio chain. So for this I will show you in the further video what you can do. So basically if you go ahead and actually add your wallet over here, hopefully you will be able to get the exterio chain. If not, then I will advise you on the further steps. Now the first thing that you will need to do is once you connect your wallet and once exterio chain is there, you can go to launchpad over here, and as you can see currently there is one launchpad which is live, which is Nyan hero game. Now all you have to do is basically you will need to complete a few tasks over here. So for example, you can like add your wallet over here, follow them, verify your email address and visit their website, like and retweet. So this will complete all the tasks on Nyan heroes on the exterio platform. The next thing that you will need to do is you have to go to paleo over here. So paleo game, they have certain tasks that you will need to complete, which I will show you. Now as you can see over here, the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to connect your wallet, and you will need to transfer some BNB tokens, a small amount, from your BNB chain to exterio chain. So once you click over here, it will take you to the bridge where you can actually transfer some BNB to exterio chain. Now once you do that, all you have to do is you will get this egg NFT over here, and you can go ahead and claim this Apple, Rubber Duck and Music CD. And here you can do an AI chat with Paleo. And as you can see, I have this Eggy has asked one question for me, and I have put him some random thing, to be honest. And as you can see, I got a score of like 84. So I will go ahead and claim this one now. Now I have to pay a small gas fees which is in BNB. So as you can see, it's like 0.14, which is like 14 cents. And then there are some other quests if you go down over here. So basically if you uh, pet your paleo and then follow them and invite them. So what I will do is I will also leave a sign up referral link in the description for paleo, where you can go ahead and sign it and complete all of this task over here. So for now you can do this task in order to qualify for the exterio airdrop, and you can always join the Discord and Telegram group in the future, where you will be getting these updates, because this is just the chapter 1, then there is chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4. So I think this would be a multi airdrop farming, because it's not only exterio, there would be Nyan heroes airdrop also, and then there is paleo, and there would be lot of airdrops that would be coming on the gaming platform on exterio. And the reason being, since it's supported by Binance Lab, I'm sure This token would be listed on the Binance and the valuation would be pretty good, and we can expect a decent airdrop. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.